So hello guys, hello. Okay, now my voice is clear. So I'm about to start this live stream. So we will discuss about full adder, and we will see the truth table, how to make truth table. Then we have to just find equation of that output, and then we just draw the circuit diagram for full adder. Okay, so now I'll share my screen to you all so that we'll begin the class. Now I'll share my screen so that we'll start as soon as possible. Mm, There is some problems going here. I have to resolve this. Yeah, I have to check whether it is shown or not. Yeah, so this will be clear. So I'm about to start. So okay, I'll just write here full adder. So full adder. Okay. Now in full adder there's three inputs. Let's take A, B, and C. Or we just set that C in. So these three are input. I'll write above input, and then there are two outputs, as we all say in half adder, same as here. Also there are two outputs, sum and carry. Okay, so these two are outputs. After writing the truth table, we have to just find the equation for sum and carry. So I'll write here the truth table. So the input is 0, 0, and 0. So the output is will be 0, and the carry output will be also 0. Okay. The next input will be 0, 0, 1. First, I'll write all the inputs. Then after that, I'll write the outputs of the sum and carry. So first, I'll write the all inputs. So here we'll put 0, then 1, then 0. And after that, we'll just put the input as 0, 1, and 1. And then again, we have to just do this as input. Then 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 0. Then triple 1 as input. Okay. So these are the inputs of, this. So we also write the place of in front of all the inputs, like 0, this will be 1, this will be second, this will be third, this will be fourth, this will be fifth, sixth, and 7. Okay, so all these are inputs, and then we'll write the output. So in the input 0, 0, 1, we have to write here in sum 1, we just get the sum of the input will be 1 and the carry will be 0. And in front of this, like this. So the input will be, next input will be 0, 1, 0. So the output will be in sum 1 and the carry will be 0. And the next input 0, 1, 1. So the output will be 0 and 1. Um, we'll continue till the end. Like here, we just get sum as 1 and the carry is input. Carry output will be 0. Then after that, we just get the 0 in sum and 1 in carry. And after that, I'll do that. Sorry, just leave it. You understand what I'm trying to do. Oh, there is nothing. Oh, no problem. So after that, the input will be as 1, 1, 0. So the output will be in sum 0, 0, and then 1. And after that, the output will be 1 and 1. Okay. So this is the truth table. And after that, we have to just find the equation for sum. Here we will write equation, or we just write below the truth table equation for sum, and then equation for carry. Okay. So we just find the equation with the help of Kmap. Here we just see there are 3 inputs, so we have to use the 3 variable Kmap. So I'll do in one box only. So do I'll use only one k 3 variable Kmap. You have to use 2 times. So be careful with that. Okay, guys. So there are 4 lines vertically like that, and the one line will be horizontally. And here we'll write, uh, and there are 3 inputs A, B, and C in. We just consider C in as C for, you know, easier to say, to solve like easy. Uh, After we just find the equation, we just put the value of uh, C in the place of C. Okay, we just put the C in place of C. So first we just put the this inputs here. So here will be A, and here will be B and C. Okay, so I'll just write like that. Here will be A bar. Then after that, here's B bar, C bar. Here will be B, C, B bar, C. Here's the B, C, and the last one will be B and C bar. And this will be 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. Sorry. I'm really so sorry. This will be 0. It will be starting from 0. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this will be 7. And we have to just scan that where the value of we just get the value of 1 in front of which row. Okay, so this will be in front of 1, and this one it will be in front of 2, this will be in front of 4, and last one will be in front of 7. So let's just write 1 1 1 in the place of 1 2 4 and 7. 1 2 4 and 7. So 1 2 4 and 7. After that we have to just find the common between the inputs. So there are no common inputs here, so we have to just write as it is, like A bar, B bar, C. This will be like A bar, B, C bar. This one be like A, B bar, C bar, and this one will be A, B, and C. Uh, After that, this will be for sum. Okay, I'll use it. I'll write it down after finding the equation for sum. So I'll write this here. A bar. Okay, I'll not write like directly here. I have to first solve it. I'll solve here, right? So A, B bar, C bar plus A, B, C plus A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar. After that, we have to just find the common. We have to just take the common, and remaining inputs are we have to keep it in brackets, and then we have to just find that whether it will which type of gates it will form, and then we'll just convert it into that. Okay. So like we have to just here we just see A will be common. So we'll write like that. And B bar C bar plus BC. Okay. So this you have to you have to what I'm trying to say, we have to put the C in the place of C. Okay. Keep this in mind. Here we just write C in the place of C in, we just write C. So that's why you have to change here. You have to just so after solving this here, we just change the C in here. Okay. So uh, this will be like take the common here A bar. So after taking the common A bar, here will be plus B C bar. So as you can see, this this A B XNOR C is right. And here we just write like that. This this is plus. Confused by that. Okay. Here this will be forming XOR gate. So B XOR C. Okay. So after that, we have to notice that there is also the formation of one thing. I'll show you how it will be formed. Norm is what? X or X or we just write as this X or in the top of XOR we just bar. This is also called XNOR. How? Because this is called NOT gate. Okay, means if we just give the input like 0, then output will be 1. So means if the here the input is A, so the output will be A inverse means A bar. So like that. This is also the NOR XOR gate, but in the top of XOR gate there is bar, so that's why it's called XNOR. So I'll rub it. And then I'll show you how it will work. So this will A, B, XOR, C, bar. Okay. Means this will be NOT gate. This it have NOT gate means whatever it will get that will inverse, that will suddenly be inverse cause of this inverse. Okay, upper whatever this bar will be on the top of XOR gate, that's why it will be reverse. The value the value of input will be reverse in output, just opposite. Okay, so if you write like that, a bar b XOR c. So if you just see here, b bar c plus b c bar, if you just notice here, it will be forming XOR gate, because we just uh, know that if the first input will have bar and the second will not have, then it will be added to the second one, which will have opposite signs to the first, so it will said as XOR gate. So here it will be happening as same thing. Okay, like here is a, we just get a, and here will be take as this b. So a b bar plus a bar b. So this is also forming XOR gate. So we just write as a XOR b XOR c. This will be the equation for sum. So here we will write a XOR b XOR c in, because we just replace the value of c with c in. Okay, so this is the equation for sum, and then we have to just find the equation for carry, because this is the output left only to find the equation for that. Equation for carry. So I just write here only because due to time issue, I think. Yeah, if you see the one in the front of 3, and here the one will be in front of 5, and then 6, and then 7. So we just erase all this, and then we'll make. Okay, so this is here 3, 5, 6, and 7. 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we have to take the pair of this, because we have to just find the common inputs here. Okay, that's why we just take the pair. Okay, so there are 3 pairs. So here the common will be A and C. AC, and in this box we just find the common as A and B, and here the common will be B and C, B times C. Okay, so this is for carry, and we have to just find the equation for that. So we'll write here like that. AC plus AB plus BC. So that's it, guys. This is the equation for carry. And now we have to make the circuit for that. So we just make the circuit diagram. So I'll make so we have to take three inputs as we see in the inputs. There are three inputs A, B, and C in. So the our inputs are A, B, and C in. Okay. So A, B, and C in. These are three inputs, and first we just draw the uh, sum with the help of equation of sum. So here will be A's or B's or C in. Okay. So we have to just draw the two XOR gates here. So like this, we just this will be like this is wire. Okay. So here we have to just draw two XOR gate. So this will be one, and that will be connected to like here A XOR B. So A with the with the help of wire we just connect with the B. So this will be A XOR B. I'll make it like clear. This will be not good. So this is XOR gate, and after that we have to just make A XOR B, and then A XOR B, then XOR C. Means we have to just take one connection from C in input and then connect with the first XOR with, and then second XOR like that, and that will be sum. This will be the input, sorry, output, and these three are the inputs. I'll keep this in box like this. So here we just get the sum, and then we have to draw the circuit for carry. Okay, so here we will just get like we have to use three AND gate and then two OR gate. So if we have to use less gates, so we have to just take common here. So let's take the A as common, then C plus B, and then plus B, C. So here we'll just take only two AND gate. So A, let's take C in B. Okay. So C in B as OR gate. Then we just get C in plus B, and then A will be in AND gate, connect with the AND gate like this, and then B and C. AND gate. We'll also use the AND gate. A, C, B. Oh, that will be connected. So we have to, have to only connect with this both AND gate with OR gate like this. So here we just get the carry. So now our circuit diagram will be completed here. We just firstly draw the truth table, then find the equation for sum and carry, and then we just draw the circuit diagram for that. And now we just see the real life example of this circuit. I just draw this circuit in circuit verse diagram simulator. Then you all guys have to have got clear about this. Okay, so I'll just stop this screen share and here for this note, and then I'll redirect you in the circuit words. So we have to just take three inputs, 2 and 3. We have to take XOR gate, two XOR gate like this. One will be connected with this, and the first two will be connected with like this. So, and the second one with this, and third one will with this. Okay, so this will be as A's or V's or C in. Okay, now we have to put the output here. We have to connect the output here, and then this is for some output. Okay, this is the output for some, and we have to just draw the circuit for so wait a sec, I think you not just don't see the screen. Yeah, now you see the screen. So So I'll just set that three inputs as I draw before, same as I'll draw here. So there are two XOR gates and one output. This is for sum output, and then there are three inputs A, B, and C. Okay, and then I'll just draw for carry. So there are B and okay. I'll take the gate. So this is OR gate. This will connect with the scene B plus scene, and then this will connect with this AND gate. Okay, and then this will there are one AND gate also which will be connected with B and scene. Okay, so after that this will be connected with OR gate. This will be OR gate. Here it will be just connect with these, and then this. Okay, so now we just put the output here in the instead of this output, we just put the LED bulb also. This LED bulb. Okay, here this one. I'll not put this because I have to make things easier for you guys. So now we just check if you guys have the if you note that truth table of full adder, then you'll check. So let's do the input as 000. So 000, the sum will be 0 and the carry will also be 0. So this will be correct. Then 001, so we'll just get sum as 1 and carry as 0. So that will also be correct. Then 010, 010, sum 1, carry 0. That will also be correct. 011, 01 is also be correct. Then 100, sum 1 and carry will be 0. That is also correct. And 101. So 0 at sum and the carry in the carry we got 1. So that is also correct. And then 10110. Sum will be 0 and the carry 1, triple 1, we just get sum as 1 and the carry 1. So that's all for today, guys. This is the full adder circuit diagram. I'll just show you the truth table, how to make truth table, and then we just find the equation for that, and then I just show you how to draw the circuit diagram for that. That is easy, and I'll show you the live demonstration of that thing and the circuit boards. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. I'll end the live stream here right now. So bye and good night.